Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So this is going to be a short announcement video of an upcoming event that I'm going to be attending, as well as several other YouTube creators out there in the metalworking community. We have the Florida Flywheelers show. It's going to be happening February the 23rd through the 26th, 2022. So it's a Wednesday through Saturday event. And on that Saturday, February the 26th, is the day that we're going to have a YouTube meet and greet or a YouTube get together. This is an open invite for anybody that wants to come, you know, for the public, whoever wants to attend. And pretty sure it's going to be held at the Ye Old Machine Shoppe, which is the machine shop on the grounds there at the Florida Flywheelers. Same place we had it a couple years back. So that's where we'll be meeting up. And I believe it's going to be roughly in the from 12 to 2 p.m. time frame that Saturday on the 26th. There's going to be several other YouTubers there. I don't have an extensive list of everybody that's going to be coming, but I do have a few names that's already verified that they are going to be attending. So we have Keith Rucker from Vintage Machinery. We have Keith Fenner from Turn Right Machine Works. It's going to be awesome to have Keith Fenner there. I think it's going to be his first time at the Flywheelers, so it's going to be great to have him. We also have Mr. Pete 222. Everybody loves Mr. Pete, right? It's going to be great having him back at the event. And I know for sure that we have Jim Bollinger from Do Right Fabrication. He's going to be there. And I believe Mike Wiggins from Backyard Machine Shop, I think he's coming. I haven't confirmed that yet. And we have a couple other folks that's coming. I know Chris Feval from American Rotary, he's planning on attending. And I believe Clarck Easterling from Windy Hill Foundry, I think he's making the trip down too. So there may be some other YouTubers that are coming that I'm not aware of, but it is an open invite for all of the YouTubers from the metalworking community, as well as all of the viewers and the fans and the general public that wants to come and attend this event. So we hope to have everybody there, hope to have a great time and get to meet some folks, maybe shake some hands and have some good conversation. And I'm looking forward to it. I always love the Florida Flywheelers show. There's a lot of great stuff there to enjoy. So if you're planning on coming down, you know, there's a lot of stuff to see. So try to plan having a full day there. It is kind of a remote spot to get to. So get there early. They have a huge swap meet area, which is one of my personal favorites. A lot of antiques and just old things and tools, engines, tractors. There's just a little bit of everything there at the swap meet that's fun to enjoy. They also have the village that you can go through. That's really interesting to see. They always have the antique tractor parade. I believe they do that a couple times throughout the event, maybe once a day. I don't know for sure, but they do have a tractor parade there. They have the pit with all the old earth moving equipment on display. They have the engine building, and they also have like the snow engine there, which they display, I think, either 2 or 3 times a day of it actually running. So a lot of great things there to enjoy and see. It's great for the entire family, no matter if you have, you know, little kids all the way up to full-grown adults. There's something there for everybody to enjoy. They do rent golf carts as well. I would recommend getting a golf cart, or you can bring your own if you have a golf cart or side-by-side or anything like that. You can bring that. And I know there is a small fee you have to pay to bring that in and use it, but it's such a big area. There's a lot of area to cover, so we definitely recommend having something to get you around, even if it's a scooter or something, you know. I'm planning on taking my little Honda Monkey, so I'll have something to ride around when I'm out there. But I can't wait. It's going to be a good event. It's going to be great to catch up with some people and, you know, some of my YouTube friends out there and socialize and meet a lot of the viewers and the fans of all the YouTube channels. So really looking forward to it. So I will definitely be there, and maybe I will see you out there event, all right? We're looking forward to it, and here we come, Florida Flywheelers.